Scott, what is that?
Hey, whose is that? Don't touch that.
This computer? Can I have it?
What am I doing?
Scott, checking out electronics. Scott, is your dick hard right now?
Yeah.
Scott, what is that?
This computer. Can I have it? I want this.
You have to do the locked up on camera.
Locked up?
Yeah, you have to do it.
I locked up. Fucked around and got locked up.
Do some curls on camera too.
Do some curls?
Yeah.
I don't have any curl.
Do 10 push-ups right
Oh,
now.
those.
Lift up, hold on, lift up your shirt.
Positive resistance. Why are you filming this?
Kanye's new workout plan.
Scott's new workout plan. Do the locked up again.
Got locked up.
You can have that CPU if you do the locked up.
I just did it. Got locked up.